This puzzle was made by Cubic Dissection. Difficulty level of the Cyca Discs puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to open the cylinder. This puzzle was made from solid aluminum and brass. It has a maze hidden inside, and in order to solve the puzzle you have to navigate a small metal pin through the set of mazes from one side to another, and when the pin will be on the bottom you will be able to open it. Since right now, as you can see, you can easily rotate all 8 parts of the puzzle. There are 6 smaller discs and 2 exactly the same parts on both sides of the puzzle, and you can easily rotate all of them. But when the pin reaches the bottom part, it will lock it, and then you will be able to unscrew it, remove all parts, reorganize the discs, and create another maze and try to solve it again. So you can play this puzzle many times and it will be different and challenging each and every time. If you like the Cyca Discs puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. This puzzle is quite difficult, and since depending on how the discs are set in the puzzle, it can be completely different. So my version can be different than your version. So I'm gonna just take it apart and show you what is happening inside. And to do that, there is a small tool comes with the puzzle, which is called Cyca Discs Reset Tool. And when you stick it on one of the sides of the puzzle and rotate it until the tool will fall down. Oh, it's not fall down, but it will block the part. Then you can unscrew this part. Actually, when you solve the puzzle and the pin that is hidden inside and goes through the mazes reaches the bottom, you will be able to unscrew it as well. But as I mentioned, each maze can be different, so I'll just unscrew the bottom to show you what is happening inside of the puzzle. And now, as you can see, here is the top part. Here is a small metal pin that goes through the maze. And the best part here is that when you take a look at the discs, you will find that this disc has only one opening where the pin is supposed to go. But if it hits one of the other fake openings, it will just block the piece, but it won't go any further. So you have to go back, rotate this disc again, and only when this pin will drop in the middle part, you will be able to move to the next level. But as you can see, the correct opening is hidden between 2 fake ones, and it will be very difficult to find it. The next disc has 3 fake cutouts and only one that really allows you to go through. Then it is only one, so this one is easy on one side but difficult on the other side, and the rest are similar. There are 3 fake openings and 1 real opening. So as you can see, depending on how you put discs, upside down or with 4 cutouts up, it will be a different set of puzzles. So in order to solve the maze, you have to put all discs in such a way that you will just create a way from the top part of the cylinder to the bottom. Then the pin will reach the bottom, lock the bottom piece, and then you will be able to take it apart and the puzzle will be solved. But now, when you took apart the puzzle and you want to assemble it back, just put the metal pin inside, or if you solve it the proper way, just make sure that the pin is on the bottom and you can put the bottom piece back, tighten it, and then you can solve the puzzle again. So quite a nice puzzle with a maze that can be changed every time you solve the previous one. You just flip the discs and try to solve it again, and it has a very nice pocket size, so a great puzzle that you can carry it with you all the time. That was the solution of the Cyca Discs puzzle, not actually a solution, but the way explanation of how you can try to solve it. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles from cubic dissection, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.